Hi folks, welcome to I Hunt Outdoor Productions. Hey listen, we just received our new Lucky Ducks and we're going to do an unpacking and we're going to set it up for you. We're going to show you how easy it is. LuckyDuck.com, great spinner, waterfowl, duck hunting decoys. Alright, well, we ended up getting the HD receiver remote control so we can work it like that. We're going to run through it all. Alright, unboxing. I opened the box up already. I wanted to make sure everything was in there. Alright, we're going to pull out the decoy. Look at this. Look at this decoy. Look at the detail. These folks got it right. The coloration, beautiful. Nice decoys. Well constructed. Well built. We at I Hunt Outdoors, we try to buy the best quality gear we can afford. These things, very affordable. Built nice. You won't go wrong. And I'm not saying that we don't have a sponsor. They're not our sponsor. We just really enjoy these decoys. In the belly of the decoy is the battery box. We've already pre-installed the batteries to save a little bit of time here. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I will caution you this. If you do not put the batteries in properly, you will blow a fuse. They supply extra fuses. They supply an extra battery box. Great company. A lot of companies won't do that. Install the batteries. Slide it in place, you'll hear it click in place, it won't come out. We're going to be installing the HD receiver, folks. Listen, this is the cat's meow. Alone, just the batteries and the decoy, you can run this thing. You can run this thing. You don't need the remote control. We chose the remote control because it gives us a little more control. We can turn them on when needed, turn them off, whatever. Something that had a little more realism. That's what you're looking for. Show you how to install the wings. The wings are magnetic. You see the shape? This is a mallard drake. So the blue color will face the back. On the decoy, where you place the wings, there's a slot. It lines up very easy. It's held in place with a magnet. Very easy. Boom, wham, bam. Proper orientation. That's the key. Wham bam the other side, proper orientation. You see it, folks. Not rocket science. Alright, this can be used without the remote control, like I said. Comes with a stake set, 42 inches. If you need more, you can get extensions. Very easy to put together. Slide her in the hole, push the button in until it snaps, bam. Right in place. How easy is that? Even a child can do it. Take a kid with you. Teach them the outdoors. Teach them from a young age. We got it together here. We're going to test it, make sure she works. On off buttons in the back. There we go. 4 AA batteries. The Energizer Max. They work good in low temperatures. Great batteries. They run a long time too. Alright, we're going to turn that off. We're going to install the HD receiver so we can use a remote control. Now this is an accessory. This doesn't come with it. You don't need it. We choose to use it because they really work good, let me tell you. It's got a little clip so you clip it on your lanyard and then you put the HD receiver in. I'm going to show you how to do that. In the breast area of the decoy, you'll see this little receiver thing here. You got to have the HD receiver in, or you got to have this in for the decoy to work. Okay, we're going to remove the stock one. And all it is a USB thing. Save that. You don't want to lose that. All right, line up the USB. You're going to plug it in. Make sure you seat it firmly. That's all there is to it. They come with their own batteries installed. You're going to turn the Lucky Duck on, because you want to make sure that everything's set up and ready to go before you get out there. You don't want to mess around with this in the dark. Turn the Lucky Duck on, it will flash. On the side of the remote control, there's an on-off switch. Turn it to on, hit the off. There you go. You know it's paired up, you know it's working. There you go, on, off, whenever you need it. There is a timer function, 4 or 5 seconds maybe. They come on and off, come on and off. Pretty cool setup. We choose turn it on and turn it off at our will. Obviously that'll probably use less battery. They don't use a lot of battery to begin with. So So listen, folks, this is a great piece of equipment. Directions. We recommend you read your directions. Very important. This particular model is the Lucky Duck Junior 2. Very nice. Very nice. They work great. They will be an asset to your hunting experience. Hey folks, thanks for being here with us. Lucky Duck, great company, great spinner decoys. Have a great night.